So this is how you can edit time in Clockify. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Clockify. Today you'll learn how to edit your time. So this is pretty simple. Let's say you're working on a project like video editing. So I'm just gonna put that real quick. Video edit. Now we're gonna start it. And as you can see, it's doing this sort of time tracking thing. And once we stop it, it's going to say that we've done it for 7 seconds because that's the amount of time it tracked. So how do you actually edit this? Well, you can go ahead and just simply type out whatever number you want. For example, let's do 10 seconds. And you can also change this. For example, maybe 5 o'clock. And as you can see, it edits the time that it tracked. So that's pretty much it. Honestly, that's all you have to do. You can go ahead and edit it here if you want to. I'm gonna put 24 hours. And there we go, week total 24 hours. So the total is now 24 hours. And we can even go ahead and change it here, maybe to 1700. And there we go. It just keeps adding up the more we add to it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.